Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them. Guys, I have to get out and start and go out and start walk. I'm gonna be walking. The traffic is too much.
Yeah boy, go on. We gonna meet you, we going away.
Yeah, guys, the traffic is so mad. You know, so I'm gonna be walking towards the beach. The time is running out, as you can see the beach from here. You know, but listen, the traffic is long. I've been sitting for so long, so I just tell myself, let's get out and walk, right? So I am walking down to the beach, and I will meet them back on the beach. But as you can see, it's pure traffic. Everyone heading to the beach, to the beach, to the beach. Everywhere is nice, nice, nice. Look at the hills. Everywhere is nice, nice. And this we are at Maracas. Welcome to Trinidad. I love Maracas. So that's a sign there. I love Maracas right there. Wow. So, as you can see, I love Maracas. So I am here. So I'm here at the Maracas Beach, but listen, I have to get out of the car and start to walk. Too much traffic. You know, so welcome. We're here at Maracas Beach. So if I go that way, it's gonna be traffic. So I'm gonna start walk from this side, go down back to that side. Alright, so I'm gonna get myself lost a bit on the beach. Even though I'm gonna be a bit lost, look at the traffic to go down there. It is a traffic to go down there. Look at that traffic all the way through there. So let me start from here. But trust me, it's been a long day today. Very long day. The journey still continuing here. Walking along the coastline, showing you the wonderful Trinidad Maracas Beach. Welcome to Trinidad. Welcome to Trinidad. Beautiful beach. So I guess I can go through the car park, right? If I want. Hey, is it the only way? Excuse me, boss.
Yeah.
Is it the only way you could go on the beach by crossing the bridge?
Yeah.
Okay, cannot walk from there.
No, unless you cross in from the river. And if it go with your foot.
Okay.
You can try.
Let's cross.
You wanna come back and cross the
So I'll cross. Alright, thanks.
Yeah.
Alright then, so I guess I'll just cross at the bridge. Blessings. Wow, and it's rough. Okay, so I guess you have to cross the river. So there it says just where the river meet the water, meet the sea. Okay. White sand. White sand as well. It's rough. It is rough, very rough, and the beach is packed as well too. Wow, nice white sand beach. As you can see, white sand. Look at the beach, it's rough, so rough. Beach is rough. Look at that. Wow. Beach is packed. Everyone here at the beach. And look at this. Nice sun. As well, it's a nice white sun. Whoa. Welcome to the Maracas Beach here in Trinidad. Maracas. Very clean as well, as you can see. Very clean. Oops. Yeah, my days. Hey, you done me that. Really rough. So lovely, so nice. So lovely and so nice. You can look at the big waves coming in. Look at the big waves coming in.
traffic out here, same. Hey. Wow, wonderful Maracas Beach. This beach is nice. Everyone is out. Everyone is out today. Family, everyone comes by, chilling, thinking about. Wow, Maracas Beach. Hello, how are you doing? Can you tell me something about this beach, Maracas Beach? I'm from Jamaica, by the way. My name is Kino. I'm a YouTuber.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Kino. I'm a YouTuber.
Hi.
So you can check me out. Say hi.
Say hi.
It's my first time here at this beach. I'm just walking. I'm exploring.
Okay.
So I'm all the way from Jamaica. Is this the best beach here in Trinidad?
I won't say the best, but it's one of the most popular beaches
as you can see
in
so
Trinidad.
we're here today.
Yeah.
It is one of the popular beaches, but not, I wouldn't say the best.
It's not the best.
No, but it is
One
really
of.
good.
One of the most.
One of.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm not talking about in Tobago, just Trinidad.
Just Trinidad,
Trinidad,
yeah.
yeah,
Just
just
Trinidad.
Okay. And what about the food?
The food in Trinidad in general, or
Yeah, here at this beach. Which food is the best food you recommend?
The best, I think it's Richard.
Richard, we go to Richard's Bacon Shop.
Yeah.
Definitely, yeah.
Bacon Shack.
Yeah.
Come and been here in Trinidad as well. Bacon Shack.
Yeah,
Bacon
because
Shack.
when you hear you come into Maracas, you're coming to get bacon shop.
Okay.
That is it. Yeah.
Bacon Shack.
Yes.
Correct.
Because this man was have doubles.
Okay, yeah.
Doubles,
Yeah.
okay.
And it's
That's a
really-
must.
How was that?
It was good.
Okay, great.
It's good. I have to add 3 of them.
That's 3,
Yeah,
that's good.
you can't eat one.
No, I had 3.
Yeah.
And then no, but I had the bacon shot like a day before
Right.
for the first time,
Okay.
and it was nice.
It was nice.
Yeah, so
So you're enjoying it so far?
I'm loving it.
Very good.
I am loving it.
You get the Trini experience.
Of course,
Love it.
of course, I'm loving it, man. So I need to go check out Tobago next. So
Yeah,
Trinidad
Okay. And
is a
that's,
boom.
that's
A paradise within itself.
paradise.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
that means I'm not seeing nothing then, right?
Oh, no.
No, you're seeing, but it was
At the
just-
same,
yeah.
on the same
Yeah.
parallel of loveliness, beauty.
Yeah.
You're gonna get it all in Trinidad and Tobago.
Yes.
Wow, I can't wait to go and visit.
Yeah.
But check me out on YouTube. It's called Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino Life.
Kino.
Just now, yeah?
Yeah, so you can also check me out.
Yes.
You have data? No.
No, not right now. Kino.
Yeah.
Life.
Yeah.
Alright. You'll check it out.
Yeah,
For sure.
for sure. You need, because they're gonna see this part. So say hi to the world.
Hi!
Yeah. And the guys, I'm just saying, Kino want to see those beautiful Trinidad ladies, and trust me.
She laughing.
Say hi.
Is that your baby?
No.
Okay. You related?
No, we are cousin-in-laws.
Oh, in-laws.
In-laws.
Okay, so in-laws. So which way it goes? She's going out with your.
My cousin, yes.
Okay, you see, I figured that right out.
Yes.
Right on the spot. It's really rough today, though.
Very yes, bro.
That's what we're looking at right now. It's really rough.
So you don't swim? No?
No. Just float around.
Yeah.
I guess I'm gonna do the same.
Yes.
Alright, it was nice meeting you.
And I'm Janaya.
Same here.
Alright, take care. Yeah,
You're
make sure you check it out.
welcome.
Yeah. Alright, bye. Bye. She said bye too. Just bye. So it is really nice. It is really nice here. The beach is nice. And I guess Cohen probably get no parking as yet because it's a long traffic going down the beach. So guys, you hear it for yourself again. The bacon shop. Have to try the bacon shop. Come here and try bacon shop. Something is wrong. So I'm walking along and along and along and along. Bacon shop. It is the thing. Alright. So the beach is light up like fire. Lit. What going? Oh, you know I'm a Jamaican YouTuber.
I just follow you, man. You
Okay.
and
The
boy, Color Smith.
Color Smith.
And yes, man.
Oh,
You know
big
what I'm
up.
saying?
Big
Yeah,
up,
man.
big
You
up.
old cool, man.
Yeah, man.
Gungard,
Gun grind the old
God
team.
Socks.
Yeah.
The cool, man. You know, and I know you just get together with them off and on and,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
do a little intermixing and thing, man.
Yeah, man.
And nobody coconut dumpling.
Whee!
Yo.
Have you tried it here?
Eh?
Have you
No,
tried
but I tell, my partner there is a big time chef. And I tell him, he just
tell him?
cook with that, he cook in the group.
Yeah.
And I tell
The
him,
coconut dumpling.
you see that YouTuber that is doing
Yeah.
I tell him I'm try it.
Why don't you try it?
I tell him I'm gonna try it one day.
Yeah, it
You
is
know,
nice. Very nice.
But I like the work them brothers doing up in Portland, brother.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I like the love and the unity. I'm not Jamaican, I'm Trini.
I know.
And living in the States, but I just follow all you. So I just follow you too.
Yes, thank you
You know,
so
and
much,
I like
man.
the work all they doing, man. I like how they just feed the poor and take the medicine for them and all that kind of thing.
Yes.
Keep up the good work, brother.
Definitely, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm here enjoying your beautiful
Yeah,
country.
man. Anytime, brother.
Very lovely, man.
One love.
And thank you so much for watching my
Peace,
program.
peace, man. Peace, man. Peace.
Big up,
peace. Yeah.
big up. Blessings,
Tell
blessings.
fellas to tell them, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man. See there? It's in the DNA.
Yeah, man.
Alright, man.
Praise God.
Yeah, man. I will tell you, man.
Try,
Yeah?
man. The whole crew.
The whole crew.
man.
That is it.
Eh?
Alright.
Try, man. Socks, gone, God.
The whole
You know what I'm
team.
saying? I like how everybody building the house.
Yeah.
Everybody building the house, you know that? Bunch of youth, man, brother.
Everyone
Everybody
building.
start the foundation and the house and thing and cooking in the village and love it with everybody.
I see you don't miss nothing at all.
Nah.
Watch everything.
Watch everything. Yeah.
And one of my good veterans born the same day with me, right?
Okay.
Jamaican brother. And the rap and thing, he tell me, but everyone the same day. You know, so.
Alright, man.
Always one love, brother.
Yeah, man. Nothing
Peace,
but love,
peace,
man.
peace.
Peace.
Nothing but love.
Here you go, guys. We met one more of our subscribers in the building. Subscriber. You hiding your face. Huh? Come taping now. If you're on it. No. Yes, guys. So, hey, it's very lovely. I'm telling you. Meet our subscribers again. Walking along the beach. Maracas Beach. This is nice. The man is like, hey, that's the Jamaican YouTuber. I watch him, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna continue walk along the beach. All the way along the beach. Ballers and playing ball. So where is the competition meant to be going on? Competition that's going on. See the ballers. See the ballers them. Seems like we're at the end of the beach. Come down to the end of the beach right now. Wow. Let us literally walk down by the end of the beach. going to work today?
I will be in the bucket.
Hello. How is work going on? What's in the bag? Eh?
People broke.
People broke?
Yeah.
So you have to go buy them a drink then?
Boy, I have to go on a lead.
Why don't you buy them a drink?
Alright, so go in the water on the steamer.
You swim? You swim already?
I want to look at
Hello,
I want to go Jamaica so bad. Like I
Yeah, come
went
here.
so good. So bad. Jamaica is one country I have to go to, you know.
Have you been there, Jamaica?
I love Jamaican people. I love Jamaican people. I love Jamaican
Come here.
food.
You been to Jamaica?
Don't even talk about that rice and peas.
Hey.
Oxtail, I get your oxtail. I need
Oxtail?
No, Jamaica is one country I have to go. So I don't care what no other country.
So what's stopping you? What's stopping you?
I find like right now when people think it's for airlines and stuff, I find that the price is real high.
Oh.
So you have to really save to actually enjoy yourself in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to go probably in a cheap season.
What is a cheap season?
Well, probably like
Because I don't mind spending as a $6 and stuff, but it has, I think to go Jamaica, I don't know if it's probably all inclusive, I pay about $10,000
TT.
for everything.
That's how much in US dollars you pay? Thinking.
Boy.
That's the most of me and I was looking so low for all these
I
times.
see Jamaica.
Is it low?
My face was so retarded.
No,
Because I was like,
So
It's
smile.
about $40, $1,500 US.
Oh, that's
Yeah, for all inclusive, but that's for two people. So you could go half and have 5,000, but I have nobody to
Yeah.
If it's friends,
Here,
it might be a
we're
little
waiting
cheaper.
on.
But Jamaica, love it.
eh?
Oh, they all over again.
Hello. I come don't be wrong. You two come
It's
here.
a vlog.
It's a vlog. Come here. I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm running from camera.
Yes.
And if I check your status, you've been posted up so many pictures already.
Yeah, that's true.
Exactly. So what's your name?
Tiana.
Tiana. You never remember her name. Come here. You don't run. Come Tiana. Come Tiana. You been to Jamaica?
No, you wanna take me?
Of course. Come.
that's right.
Of course.
I hear Portmore nice.
Everywhere is nice.
No, but I want to go where it had the nice waterfall, you know what I'm talking about?
Of course. You ready for me to take you?
Yeah. What kind of thing? My body is just now, eh?
Of course, I'm serious. If you're serious, I am serious.
I hear you.
Yes. No, I'm serious. You serious?
Oi.
You
Yeah.
single?
If I'm single, yeah, basically I just dating. I just be talking to people. Dating and relationship is two different things, eh?
Thank you.
That is true. Say it again. Come back. Don't run, Tiana. Don't run. Don't run from the camera. Are they leaving you?
I know I was just telling you that dating and relationship is two different things.
Okay, so tell me something about this beach. Is it one of the best beaches in Trinidad?
Yeah, I find here is the best beach.
The best?
If you want well steam, I'm at Maracas. Uncle Sam's place.
And
And they have real bad cocktails.
Yeah.
Real bad cocktail. I drunk already, only.
did you? No, you're not drunk, man. Anyone that drunk never ever say they're drunk. You know that?
Trinidadian, so I say that.
They know Jamaican love Trinidadian ladies.
Why?
You believe so?
They are YouTube channel, they have something.
Yeah, huh?
They are YouTube channel, they have
Yeah.
something.
Check out Kino Life in Jamaica. You have data?
Yeah.
Of course, because I met so many people that don't have data.
I don't know data.
Oh, I see. So I put you on the data list, right?
Okay.
She's gonna look it up. You're gonna
Say that's doing a vlog.
Yes, I'm doing a vlog.
So how long are you here for? What's your name?
Kino, that's Kino, Kino.
How long are you here for?
The top one. For 10 days.
You come for Carnival, you was here for Carnival?
Yeah, I was
You
here for
really
Carnival.
enjoy it then?
Of course. It was my first day. You see, show it to her. So that's my channel there. I just released another video. See the ladies and the Magnum ladies.
Yeah.
But
So you enjoy your Carnival, you play match?
I was with Candyland. It's Squid, you know Squid?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's my friend. So this is all the video game, as you can see. With the Trinidad flags and everything. So
Well, you can come back next year and play. You will really enjoy it.
yeah, I will.
Bye.
Bye. Walk past. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Say hello. Tell me something about this beach. Is it the best beach here in Trinidad?
It is best beach in Trinidad.
In Trinidad, not Tobago.
No. Tobago, best beach for me would be
Strong point. Which meal you think I should eat today?
Today on the beach, right here, right now, bacon shark.
Hey. You?
Yes.
Everyone say bacon shot. Nothing else to eat?
Why not?
Just bacon shot.
You getting shark. Think about it this way. You getting shark straight from the ocean, fresh, rather than going in a store, buying processed, no offense, processed fish.
So that's the only thing you can get on the beach, bacon shark?
No, it's have other seafoods and stuff, but shark is the best.
It's the best. Wow. That's what everyone said, the shark is the best.
Yes, because when you decorate it with your lettuce, your tomato, your onion, your ketchup, your mayo, your honey mustard, your shot of any sauce.
Alright then, so guys, I guess I'm gonna try out the bacon shark again tonight because everyone said bacon shark. They've never said fried fish, no rice and peas, no shrimp, no lobster. Bacon shark.
Bacon shark.
So why not, right? Bacon shark. So we agree then. So I will definitely try it out. Hey, it's a Jamaica and the world. The ladies them is blowing you a kiss, gentlemen. The gentleman them is watching, so they need another kiss. Isn't it? Wait. Don't drop down in front of your TV or your smartphone, please. You know. So how was work today? Going.
It's going.
It is going. It is what it is. Oh, the guys then finished playing football. Hey, I can't believe this, man. I'm coming here for the football competition and there's nothing. We do massage over here. Ooh. Massage over here. Divine touch.
Check it out. Get the brand. Get the brand.
Get the brand. So you're an IG?
It's at divine_860. Yeah.
So they get a divine touch.
Divine.
Why you think it's so divine?
Because we don't only deal with massaging the physical body, we massage the soul as well.
Is it?
Yes.
How are you gonna see my soul to massage my soul? Come with the music. Come here. I want to hear this one. How are you gonna see my soul to massage it?
Because we deal with energy. So everything that is in your physical is in your spiritual, what's in your spiritual is in your physical. So that's why when you're tense, it manifests physically in your body.
Okay.
So we come with a mindset of, okay, we're gonna dig deep.
Dig deep.
Yeah.
So hey guys, my soul will be getting massaged then, right? Deep down in the soul. I'm on YouTube, I can check me out on YouTube.
Okay. Yeah.
Keen Life in Jamaica.
Ah, nice. I went to Jamaica like 3 months ago.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was.
You like it or you love it?
I wanna go back.
You wanna go back?
I wanna go back to get a different experience.
Okay.
I was there on work for dance. I'm a dancer.
Okay, that's nice. So with all this massage, you must marry because when you massage your boyfriend, you must become a husband, right? Okay, so you massage him soul right into your heart.
That's right.
Whoa. That says K-I-N-O.
Let me just looking for my thing I can't find it, but I'll just type it here. K-I-N-O.
Yes. Space.
Oh, just a space, right?
Life in Jamaica. Life. Yeah. So you can check it out.
Nice.
So you'll definitely see yourself on this one, right?
Thank you.
So big up.
Big up.
Every time.
Alright, brother, welcome to the city.
This is the city.
This is the city.
Port of Spain City.
Port of Spain City. My brother, my brother, my brother.
My brother, my brother, my brother.
Can no see. Blessings, blessings.
Blessings from Jamaica. Kina. Big up. All is well? Where's he going?
You like the doubles.
So we're in the town, right?
Yeah.
The city.
Called Permanent.
What's it called?
Permanent. Brian Lara, Permanent.
Oh, this is Brian Lara Permanent.
Chef Permanent, chef from all the way down the
Yeah.
right by the buildings and come all the way up to the end by the church up here, the cathedral.
Yeah. You know it's Brian Lara made me start to play cricket. In the Permanent. So this is like a food spot.
Yeah. Nightlife.
Nightlife. Oh, this is the nightlife.
Yeah.
Nairan there? Okay.
Big up.
Check my boy Nairan.
Nairan. How is everything? From Jamaica, man. Yes. So this is Kina life in Trinidad now. You know, I'm from Jamaica, man, doing some, exploring your country. Lovely. We can tell them about Trinidad.
We can tell about Trinidad?
Yeah.
Trinidad is
Nice.
best place in the world.
Wow. He said it's the best place in the world. So this is your hustle.
Yeah.
Have a little stall, you sell the juice, everything. Made.
Yeah.
Wow. So how come they don't sell doubles like everyone?
Everybody sells doubles.
No, I'm just asking how come he don't sell doubles?
Everybody sells different things.
Yeah. In the juice business, Trinidad is lovely. And we have this lovely Empress here. Hello, Empress.
Hi, Daddy.
How you doing? My name is Kino. Daddy? Is that your dad? Yeah. Oh, is that your daughter? Yeah. Wow. So it's father and daughter. Sausage. Is that sausage inside of it? Yeah. Wow. So you have that's a burger there, right? So we have the business right on the corner where church is. Alright then, take care. She's shy, right? There you go. Daddy? Yeah. Big up, yeah? So we're in the Brian Lara. Say it again. Promenade. Don't get the right. Right. Brian Lara Promenade.
Yeah.
So we're at the Brian Lara Promenade here in Trinidad. So this is called the city, right?
Correct.
So we're in the Port of Spain City, POS City. So here's where you get all the nightlife and everything. Anything you want to eat, you get it right here at Brian Lara Promenade. Brian Lara in my back. And then man, they play cricket. If it wasn't for Brian Lara, he's the one that inspired me to play cricket. So it feels good to be here, So I feel like Brian Lara. Only for walk we can see Brian Lara. You think so?
We could probably check and see.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go this. Give me some of that money now, man. Naira, take up government money. Government? Well, the government never say anything. Hello, good night. I'm from Jamaica, man. My first experience here. Yeah, first time here. Just a bit good if you can give the government money. I'm tell them all. You know the Delaware? Delaware, yeah. Okay, yeah. You been to Jamaica already? Ah, sure. That's true. Not like that over there. That was. You can mention them, Mama. In a car, I can walk first chance in the last day. Yeah. In a car, back home. I call it the last one. I'm a friend club. I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica. I'm in the family. So you're not supposed to pass through Jamaica, you should be spending time in it. Ever been to Jamaica? No? Right. You ever been to Jamaica? Oh man. No man. General, you ever been to Jamaica? No, come on. Yeah, so that's why I'm trying to get you to come there as well to visit. So we can exchange culture.
Next year we keep coming in.
Yeah, your team?
What? 90
What? Yeah. Check out my YouTube star, Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah, then me.
One day. That's the crime. Maybe you're about 47 power.
Kino. Well, from Jamaica, so you know, Trinidad top down, you call them jammy. Yeah.
Depends on the time when they're going.
What you would?
When I was coming here, I don't pay so much.
When you come for carnival, nobody don't need Jamaica come here for carnival. We don't run down the US. Jamaica don't have value.
No more, I will pay US here, I come here, it's US. Well, how much?
It's carnival, so yeah, but it's no carnival, so no carnival, we have to find again for the money.
Today, I'm here in Trinidad.
Are you good?
Up on the basement?
Yeah. Come on, guys. So we need to get who never been to Jamaica before from Trinidad, they can come and visit the same way I visit your country. So we're gonna get some doubles. Thank you, my brother Rex. So we have Rex here, you know. Always here.
Everybody.
Yes. So it seems like you've been eating doubles already.
I'm hungry, and you know, John. I don't think I did.
So I need to check out some. So guys, so this. So this is the Brian Lara. Hey, I need to say it again. Brian Lara. But it's a 24/7s. Right round the clock. Here we get doubles. And I have to say, here in Trinidad, doubles is real nice.
You have to walk by that corner. Then you see where that light blinking there?
Yeah.
You have to walk and see what's going between.
Come. I'm go up and come back.
Just before we leave,
yeah.
When you see what they take, we most busiest shit and do and get the Chinese.
Alright, so we show them the nightlife here, Chinatown.
Chinatown in Trinidad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Of course, I have to go past and see that. Alright, so let me see. We have to do.
Top water here if you want to wash your hands.
You wash your what should I put on it again?
Well, it has sweet sauce, it has shad up.
Wow. Brian Lara Permanard. Big up my general, big up Jamaican here in the place. Much love. So we're on the Brian Lara Permanard. Like give me a money now. Give me 20 now. 20 now. Bigger 20. Look how much money that. A Jamaica I come from, you know.
I hear it, I hear it.
So give me $20 now, man.
I don't have a problem.
They told me that Trinidadian is the kindest people in the world.
I know that, I don't know.
They said no?
It's true.
Big up. See for $20. Yeah. Like, no. What's this, rain? Oh Lord. We'll never see this coming. What's this, rain side?
Yeah,
We never see this coming. Oh. So guys, so we're here, yeah. We're here at Chinatown. Wow, we never see this coming. Look at the sky. Oh, go by. Wet weather. Here, get shelter right here. We never see this coming.
How it is going? It blew in.
Exactly. It never looks like it's gonna rain.
That's why we are tropical island. Anytime rain could fall. Anytime. Hot sun and rain does fall sometimes.
Yeah. It's like a quiet rain.
And mind you, really dry season. We're not in that rainy season.
Well, this rain surprised because it don't look like it's gonna rain. It doesn't feel like it's gonna rain.
Correct.
So in Jamaica, when it's gonna rain, it looks like it and it feels like it.
Correct. So you see how it just blow off here now?
Yeah.
That's the sprinkles, we can walk back in there. But a lot of people just like to say there's a sick rain now.
Yeah, the blue.
Yeah.
Is it stop?
Let's stop and coming back again.
Come on, wait. Coming back again. This is the one that got you sick. This is one will get you sick. What's this here? Bar? Casino. So guys, so we have Chinatown right around the corner, but guess what? The rain just come down unexpectedly. Imagine that, just like that. Rasta man. Big up, big up, big up. Oh, you can park here. Guys, you can see the rain. Rain there. 1 minute ago, it wasn't looking like, not feel like, but the rain just come down from nowhere. So this is how it rains when you're in the UK or in a foreign country. It does rain. It does rain unexpectedly. You enjoying the doubles? You had 2? 3? Oh, we got 3 doubles.
Yes, you see what I tell you? When they see you eat the doubles is a thing. You don't really have a number sometimes.
So I had 2 so far. I had 1 where we're coming from and then 1 here.
And then 1 here.
So out of the 2, the one we were coming from first, tastes better than that one.
Of course, because they were the first people to actually start off that double trend in Trinidad.
Okay.
You understand?
So they got the touch.
So they had the touch.
They had the touch.
Alright, so we can walk and take the quick.
Alright. Alright, so blow off. Let's go on the Chinatown. So here is Chinatown.
This is one of the easiest in the daytime.
Oh, in the day.
Alright? Because there are a lot of people as you can see to the side on the right hand side.
Yeah.
Where the tables and thing is done, then going straight up the road. Don't mind it have been business places on either side of the pavement, but there are still businesses within that on the side of the street going all the way up.
Real China thing.
If you look high up the road, I know if they could see it up in the air. All the Chinese decoration all the way hanging all the way up the street to the top.
So just
when you reach the end of up here, you can see the same design that you see to the front down here.
Okay, this one.
All the end off there, you know, well, between there and here is now Chinatown.
Okay, so, but is it Chinese of any store here or just the name of it?
Well, mostly all the groceries and all the businesses
places where
Chinese
Trinidadians come to the shop in Port Spain.
Yeah.
Chinese sell everything.
Sell everything.
But they are Chinese in between and then, you know.
Yeah.
The government does end up giving them the blind because there are so much of them that doing business down here and uplifting the country at the same time. And they give them that blind. We going too far.
So we're Chinatown, as you can see. It's all closed and everything now. So I guess in the day, it will be really busy in the day. So here at the Brian Lara Promenade is where you get the nightlife. We could walk here then and come back on the side. What about up here?
You take it, you take it on the front and the side.
Huh?
You take a little piece on the next side.
Oh, you have another side?
Yeah, but remember there's the end here.
Oh, is the end here?
Yeah, there's the end of the Brian Lara Promenade, one end like what I was telling you.
Yeah.
Where the Catholic church is.
Okay. Alright, come, let's walk.
Yeah. So you get a better look.
Yeah. Wow. So we on the Brian Lara Promenade. So why them call it the Brian Lara Promenade?
Well, they name it after Brian Lara.
After Brian Lara?
Yeah. So, you know, his service to the country. Yeah. The little scores and, you know,
cricket.
That world record. You understand? So this was just a thank you to him now, boy.
Yeah.
For being a Trinidadian and, you know, famous on the map like that now, boy.
Oh, that's good.
With that century.
You make 501, 375.
365.
400.
You make 365 first.
Yeah, you make 400.
Yeah, 501.
501.
You make 501 in the UK.
You come to check it.
Yeah.
That's the number of vehicles,
501?
Yeah. You have an X5 and you have a Mercedes 400.
Yeah.
The oldest guy is the 365.
Okay.
A convertible Mercedes.
Yeah. Brian Lara. Oh yeah, the one they were showing, right? So up there is where it ends. And the next part ends down there. The promenade.
Yeah, it goes straight down. To the Hyatt.
To the Hyatt?
Yeah. To them buildings down there.
Oh. So it's everything straight down that sells doubles and them things?
Nah, down there is more different. Down there is deserted. They go down there, they get scraped. They call, some place only called Lovers Lane.
Yeah.
They set there, Lovers Lane go down there.
Oh, okay.
Couples, man.
Okay, for couples. So this is the church text.
Over the Hyatt. Over the Hyatt.
Yeah.
It have a next behind the Hyatt there.
Pick up the general.
Yeah, man.
From Jamaica.
Hey, daddy, man. Okay. Man, love you, man. Yeah. You're doing all right. Glad to see you, man.
Billy Willy.
Yeah.
Come down with that. You see? Just now.
Where's side going?
You walking? You walking? I'm going to tell you, I'm going to have you down on this side.
Yeah. You have KFC. One thing with this place, yeah? There's so much KFC here.
KFC, I tell you all that don't close.
Oh, this one never closed?
Nah, it close one day, Christmas Day.
Only Christmas Day?
It's close here that they drink the carnival.
Oh.
I don't know what was the reason though, but what he tell you is fact.
We got jelly. We get a jelly. Wow. Let me get a jelly.
A jelly?
Coconut.
Coconut?
Look at that coconut. This is going to fill my belly, you know. But I'm still going to need my food. I need my jelly. Look, guys. We got the jelly. The Mongo want to be here right now and see this jelly. Sweet, sweet jelly. Sweet, sweet jelly. We now left here. Woo. Jelly, man. Okay, so I want a coconut then. Sell me a coconut.
Soft jelly.
What's that? No jelly, that's jelly. He's eating all the jelly for himself.
Yeah, well, if the customer don't want it, why waste it? Good jelly like that? Nice young jelly. Good, it's good for the body, you know.
Woo, hey, watch it. Wow, one chop, just like that.
General.
This is general. Hold this for me. So I'm gonna sample this. The last time side we get jelly, we're going up by the hill. That was sweet. Let me see this one. Moments of truth. Not sweet, nice. Nice. I want to be sweet.
Well, did they say this type of water with no jelly is more beneficial for you, than those with the jelly?
That is strength to make the jelly. So the blood is jelly, the strength in the water.
The strength in the water.
Yeah.
That's what he said.
Alright, say that again, we hear you.
The water is the strength. That's make the jelly. So if you don't have jelly, all the strength still in the water.
Love you, my brother. Blessings on that, right? Heart of love.
Not go and sit. Yeah, boy, I'm going to come at 40 something. You want that food tomorrow?
What can you say?
Yeah, I'll drink one.
Macaroni pie and callaloo?
Yeah, I thought, but I'm looking for
I want jelly.
them are some people right over, I don't even
Okay, yes, I'll be
them do it no salt.
You're gonna get that.
I don't mind.
Alright.
You go drink yours now.
Strictly veggie, them no cook no kind of meat to that. Nothing say fish, no chicken, no kind of meat them no salt.
Nothing.
Strictly veggie.
Wow.
See, it's got jelly inside it. There's so much water in the same way.
It's Statinos, we call it Statinos.
Open it for me. Open it.
Nothing in there?
Yeah. You don't want it?
Is there nothing in it?
Nothing in it? Of course. Let me see. See, look.
I like
Have a little thing that's Statinos, boy.
There's some Statinos over here, but I order.
This one?
So that's the ital spot over there.
Daddy,
Jelly coconut, man.
bust my up here and I get the Statinos down inside here. Love, my brother.
Daddy, how much is that? Huh? 10? 10?
10 for one.
Oh, 30. Oh, sorry. 30. Have to see with me. I'm learning, you know. He said 30. Can you hold the video? Yeah, hold the fire rates.
Don't block it.
Yes, that's it. It's not block it.
Right. You're
Yeah,
good.
30.
Yeah, put it on.
Alright, so Sai is gonna get some ital food over here. Big up, brother, big up.
Yeah, respect, man.
Every time, yeah? You ever been to Jamaica?
I want to go one time, I go, man.
You need to go.
You have a phone?
Yeah.
You have internet right now?
Nah.
Right, when you have internet, Kino, live Jamaica.
Yeah.
Right, look him up,
Yeah.
subscribe.
Kino.
Yes,
Yeah.
brother.
Alright, so you have the ital food over here. Run.
Rice, cook up macaroni pies,
Blessings.
peas, black eyes, soya and dashing bush.
I'm from Jamaica. I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica. My name is Keen. I'm from Jamaica, YouTuber. Yes. So I know you have ital food here. What is that? Vegetable?
Watch out now. You see, life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.